So Zoe did something really smart and made sure that the 3 was lined up with the 1s. Now I also see that Zoe put an equal sign right here, which was really smart because she knows we need an equal sign. But something that Mr. Clemmy kind of forgot to mention yesterday is that when we're writing vertical equations, guess what? This is our equal sign. That line right there is our equal sign. So we don't need to write another equal sign. So when we read this, we read it from top to bottom. That's why it's called vertical. We read 72 plus 3 equals. So read that with me. Read that with me. Ready? 72 plus 3 equals. Now, who else can come up here and show us how we would figure that out? Kellen, oh, I love to see your hands. Kellen. So everyone's looking at Kellen right now.
Of all the animals, he was strong and brave. He had going.
Okay, can you tell us a little bit like a teacher? So kind of stand over here so your friends can see. Can you tell us how you did that?
Well, you did it. 72. So he was going faster, and then he jumped higher.
So what did you do with that 7? The 7. Why? So what's like kind of an imaginary number here? Very good. Okay. Have a seat, Kellen. Kellen, the only thing, you did a great job showing us that. The only thing that I'm going to suggest is that when we write our answer, we keep the 10s and 1s in line. So, Kellen, what did you start adding? Did you start with the 10s or the 1s? You started with the 1s. So, Kellen said 2 plus 3 is 5. So, I'm going to put the 5 underneath that 1's column. And then I'm going to keep my 7 in line with the 10s. And that might not seem important now, but it's going to be super important when we get into numbers like the hundreds and the thousands, and we add much bigger numbers. It's going to be really important that we're finding a per place value. Okay. So look, I gave you a horizontal equation and you made it into a vertical. In numbers 6 and 7, you're going to be taking a vertical equation and you're going to be rewriting it this way. Okay?
Horizontally?
Yep. So this says equation. Okay? This says equation. So you're not just going to find out the answer, you're going to write the whole equation in the horizontal. This way. Across. Okay? Go ahead and do 6 and 7. Zoe, it looks like do 6 and 7 first and then go back and do 4 and 5. Okay, so we only have about 15 minutes left of math. So after math, if your bump is still bothering you, and we can talk about it. But I want you to focus on math because we have our weekly assessment coming up. Read this.